If you are using Antigravity, then it's time to check whether you need to update it or not. So far I saw if I don't update, Antigravity is behaving badly for some cases. So now I'm going to show you how you can upgrade or update it very easily in your Mac environment. At first you just need to open Antigravity. So I already opened, you are seeing this is Antigravity, and to check or update the Antigravity, it's very simple. We just need to click the text Antigravity once you open the application, and it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose this option, restart to update. If there is any update for Antigravity, then you will find this type of option, restart to update. Once you click over there, you'll see the Google Antigravity software will be closed and it will open automatically once the update is finished. Here we are seeing it is trying to update. So here you see verifying Antigravity app, and very shortly you'll see the Antigravity is open very nicely, and here you will not see any type of update message. So if you go there again Antigravity, then you'll see there is on command only check for update. If you click here, it will show you whether that is update or not, and it is showing like there are currently no updates available. That means your Antigravity software is up to date.